Ooh. Oh. I will not make the same mistakes that you did. I will not let myself cause my heart such misery. I will not break the way you did. You felt so hard. I learned the hard way to never let it get that far. Because of you, I'll never stray too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I learn to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I find it hard to trust not only me but everyone around me. Because of you, I am afraid I lose my way, and it's not too long